Hello everyone, Alan, Managing Director from Aurora. Let me introduce our some production procedure and testing. Here is our battery recycling test. This test is very important to verify the battery quality and its lifespan. We use this machine to speed up the test process, simulate the battery pack working outside for 3 or 5 years, even longer time. We just need 2 or 3 months simulate the 10 times working times outside. Yeah, just take a look. Here is the data. Yeah, we use peak current to charge and discharge. Then simulate the fasting working cycle. Yeah, here is the machine. Yeah, we put different size of battery pack here to run more than 2,000 cycle POD cycle at very big current. So after this testing, we can guarantee the battery is very reliable. Not only the performance, but only the reliability, but also the reliability and the lifespan. Yeah. Then not only for incoming, in process finish report that we all test here. Here is our agent test cell. We put the battery controller, everything test here. Then after that, we are assembling, put the battery and the controller, everything integrated here. Now we are already assembling more than 50 pieces here. We are starting to write on test, to check the performance and turn on and off the segment meter, simulate the outside connection. And this level we can extend by different module and capacity, so to create more different product. Yeah, as you can see, this is the battery compartment. We integrate all parts, the battery, controller, and the cable and the accessory here. Then put the battery cover. This space is waterproof. Yeah, so no need to worry about. It's past IP65, but we even increasing the standard to IP66. Here, actually, we are using redundant safety designs. Put glue to seal the battery. This is already IP65. Then we apply for Titan test. Yeah, put the lamp under the water soaking. IP65 is no need to put underground the water. Just need to spray for 2 or 3 minutes in different angle. So, but we are using Titan test to simulate a most worst case situation in outside. Yeah. After this test, then we cleaning the product, check all details and set the parameter. Then it's almost finished. Then tomorrow we can start into packing. Thank you.